Hi everyone and welcome to a new video of Plant Yes. In this video I'm going to propagate this plant, the satin pothos, or also called Scindapsus pictus. It would really help me if you would subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. It is really easy to propagate the Scindapsus pictus. Make a cut between two nodes on the stem with a pair of pruning scissors. The node is where the leaf is attached to the stem. Remove the lowest leaf from the cuttings. Place the cuttings in a glass with water and make sure the node is below the water surface. After some time, roots have grown from the nodes. Only select the cuttings that have well-formed roots. The rooted cuttings are ready to be planted in a pot with a soil mixture. I use a mix of coco coir, potting soil and perlite. You can place multiple cuttings in one pot. Give the soil some water. Thank you for watching this video on how to propagate this plant, the Scindapsus pictus. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a look around and start to grow your knowledge. Bye!